Hello, and thanks for joining. My name is Josh Fishberg, and I'm the CEO of Lifemesh. Today, we will demonstrate one of our most innovative and powerful solutions for your medical practice, LifeBot and telehealth. LifeBot is, quite simply, the most effective way to improve the efficiency of workflows in your practice. LifeBot is an omnichannel conversational AI capable of handling inbound communications from your patients via chat on your website, text from a mobile phone, voice interaction from a phone call, or via Alexa. LifeBot is available 24/7 and can scale to millions of patients if needed. LifeBot also supports outbound campaigns that map to your patients' journeys, such as to encourage booking annual wellness visits or an appointment for required screening. LifeBot is highly flexible and user-friendly. It's easy to make workflow updates, the results of which are available in seconds. Lifemesh Telehealth may be integrated with LifeBot within our comprehensive clinic as a service digital health solution or implemented as a plugin with the OpenEMR solution. Lifemesh offers two additional solutions that enhance a patient-centric approach to health. Clinic as a service, the fully hosted, managed, and integrated implementation of OpenEMR, including an EHR website, portal, telehealth, and more. For those looking to better understand and improve care plans, we offer Lifemesh Analytics, an award-winning toolset proven through COVID-19 research with the FDA and the American Heart Association, and designed in conjunction with the National Science Foundation. Lifemesh Analytics includes our unique hypothesis testing platform that empirically proves the efficacy of targeted changes to care, and our augmented care predictive modeling that identifies individuals of a broad population that need proactive engagement and intervention. In this example, we focus on a two-clinic practice using Lifemesh Clinic as a Service with LifeBot and telehealth. One of the most important aspects of a practice is requesting and booking appointments, and that is what we will demonstrate today. Our patient has come to our website where we have set up a LifeBot chat plugin and proceeds to request an appointment. While this sample workflow is rather simple, LifeBot supports complex branching logic workflows that enable your practice to completely understand all aspects of the requested appointment. For each implementation, we use data points that allow us to uniquely identify the patient. Here, it is date of birth and the last 4 digits of the patient's social security number. Further, this patient is already onboarded with the practice and provided consent to communicate via mobile phone and email. Given their history, LifeBot knows that this is an established patient. Once the patient record has been retrieved, a 4-digit PIN is sent to the patient's mobile phone. The patient retrieves the PIN from their phone and provides it to LifeBot. Next, the patient is prompted to select either telehealth or in-clinic. In this example, we are showing the telehealth journey. The patient is asked to select the reason they are booking an appointment. As described earlier, this step is configurable and able to adapt to nearly any workflow. Once selected, the patient is provided a list of available dates for the appointment. In this case, LifeBot has been configured to search for all telehealth providers able to support a general health consult and return the next 3 available dates. This may also be configured for on-demand if required. Once the date is selected, the patient selects a time for their appointment and are asked to confirm. LifeBot then books a 10-minute general health consult corresponding with CPT code 99212 and sends the details to the patient's mobile phone and email. They will receive reminders 1 day and 1 hour before their appointment. Now, acting as the provider, let's log into Personal Health, the Lifemesh optimized version of OpenEMR for Clinic as a Service. As this is a demonstration environment, multi-factor authentication isn't being used, but always is in production. Looking at the calendar, we can see the new appointment our patient just scheduled with LifeBot. If we navigate to the patient dashboard, we can see their appointment and a new Start Telehealth button that is available at the bottom of the screen once Lifemesh Telehealth has scheduled the unique, secure session. Let's see what happens when we click it. A new window opens, prompting us for our details. There are also a few options here for audio inputs and channels. We'll just leave these as default. And then we click Join. I've turned off video in this case as I'm also acting as a patient. We are joined to our unique session and await our patient. We have a few options, including starting and stopping video and audio, taking a photo, and pausing the session. You can also chat details or links via the message window. Now, let's put on the patient hat once again. The patient receives a link to join the session along with a PIN. Lifemesh Telehealth opens a web browser on the mobile device and requests the patient to enter their name, PIN, and select a camera. After clicking join, the patient is now in session. That completes our demonstration of Lifemesh LifeBot plus telehealth. Are you an accountable care organization, practice, or provider interested in what you've seen here today? Please scan this QR code or email solve@lifemesh.ai and we will connect you with a solution specialist. Existing or prospective investors may scan this QR code or email invest@lifemesh.ai to connect with our investor relations team. Are you interested in partnering? Please email partner@lifemesh.ai to connect with us. Press may make inquiries by emailing pr@lifemesh.ai. Please email info@lifemesh.ai for all other inquiries. Thank you very much for your time and attention today. We would love to have you follow us on LinkedIn. Please scan the QR code below to visit our page and click that follow button, or visit our page by visiting the address that displays on the screen below.